Hey, what up YouTube? It's Rodylocks coming at y'all with my 1 year, 3 month dreadlock update. Check it out. Yeah, so I got the barrel twist or whatever like that. Finally they are long enough, you know, I can get them without them coming loose just halfway back or whatever like that, because my girl was like, I guess I was looking rough or whatever, and she just kept being like, you know, I want to see you with some halfbacks and with it hanging in the back or whatever like that. So, you know what I'm saying, shout outs to my babe Tana, you know. Shout out to my subscribers too. Check out Tyron Elliott. He's got a good journey going on. He's like, I want to say maybe like 4 months in. I don't know, don't quote me, you know what I'm saying? But shout out Miss Pretty Lots too, my homie out there in GA. Lisa Lockhead, shout out you, homie. You know what I'm saying? Haven't seen a video from you in a minute. You should be due, I'm pretty sure. My homie No Fear Carter, I know you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you, homie. Mr. Must Be Nice 1. Now, Mr. Must Be Nice 1, I like his journey as it's gotten like older, you know what I'm saying? As it got some new too, whatever like that. Like his journey is looking real good. Go check out Mr. Must Be Nice 1. Go check out that Kate Carter. You know what I'm saying? She's like, you know what I'm saying? She talks. She's got like a, I don't know what she would call it, but you know what I'm saying? She's different topics. She talks about different topics, and she's got dreads too. You know what I'm saying? She's a new dreadhead, so you know what I'm saying? She needs some support. Go check her out. You know what I'm saying? It looks like something about some substance, you know what I'm saying? Check her out. G-Will, shout out G-Will, you know what I'm saying? Creative cat with them blue dreads, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't have done it, but you know what I'm saying? You pulled it off nice, homie. Rasta Timmons, shout out you, homie. Shout out Music Is Me Here, shout out you, homie. AK Louis, I haven't seen a video from him too, you know what I'm saying? He should be due for one too. And this little cat, Lil Red 390, he's got a dread journey going on. Jason Allen, shout out you, homie. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it. I appreciate the love you show me. Taj Maston, JTC 13012. Like, I'm just shouting out y'all what it says on YouTube, y'all YouTube names, because I know a lot of you guys in your videos, you know what I'm saying, you have different names that you call yourselves, but you're, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just shouting those out. So, you know what I'm saying? And C. Sequelin. Now, I was supposed to shout you out like 3 videos ago, but I forgot. I mean, you know, like sometimes comments that people leave get marked as spam, and I don't get to see them. I don't know what that's about. So, and what else? Oh, if you guys are having problems with like your YouTube or whatever like that, like everything of mine is linked with my Google. So like I just use Google a lot, and then Google just goes to my separated, what is it, social? My social folder, so that's how I get that. Or you can get a little bell at the top as your notification bar. It's basically YouTube is just again like any other social network, so it's like pretty much you can apply any skills, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Shout out all my Instagram homies. I see y'all coming on over or whatever like that. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all. I'm a regular cat, as y'all can see, just a regular old person. And Sherelle Hill, shout out you, homie. You know what I'm saying? I see you doing your thing, getting into, what is that, Louisville? What is it? It's the blue one? The blue UK? I think that's the one. But shout outs to you, homie. You know what I'm saying? All you guys out there, man. Dreadheads are amazing. What else? Yo, I'm gonna be in New York, like, next week or whatever like that. So if any of y'all dreadheads in New York or whatever like that, y'all wanna do a little dread collab, I'm about it if you about it. Cause I'm gonna do one anyway. But I mean, I'm coming at with y'all one then. But I'm out.